Got a brand new 2023 Jayco 331 BTS J-Flight. Let's go over some of the features. On the outside, we've got the cap protected with the diamond plate. It's a fiberglass cap instead of a metal. One of the features of the full J-Flight versus the SLX model. You've also got the electric tongue jack, two 20-pound bottles. We've got the new Lippert stabilizer jacks, the rock solid stabilizers. They're going to have a greater degree of stabilization compared to the old scissor jacks of the past. So we've got the dump station here on the side. Two slides on the driver's side. This is a 50 amp dual air unit. Outside shower. Big camp kitchen with the big refrigerator, the sink, and space for a griddle there on that stinger in the back. Big electric awning. Third slide out on this unit. We've got a tankless water heater, so we can take endless hot water shower as long as we've got propane and we got water. We got hot water all the time. There's the griddle and the tabletop for the griddle that goes in that back stinger on the bumper. Pre-wired for backup camera and side cameras. It's an add-on. Comes with a 5-year warranty, Goodyear tire, made in the USA. First year on that warranty, no questions asked. So unloaded, we're looking at 8,800 pounds. We're at about 35, 36 foot grand total length. So in the living space, this is a rear bunk room, by the way. I know I didn't say that yet. But we've got a big living room with two theater chairs, U-shaped dinette. I'm sorry, not U-shaped, standard dinette. Lots of counter space. Big pantry. Island. Place for a trash can down below. A couple of them, in fact. Got the Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. So this is a compressor refrigerator. It's going to have twice as much depth as the old gas electric models and a lot safer. Slide room controls, water pump, water tank tester. We've got our surround sound speakers in the living space and outside, all connected to each other. We can run our Bluetooth, have our Spotify on there. So lots of leg room on the toilet. Fairly large counter space. Big glass door corner shower with the skylights. Queen bed in the nose. Storage underneath. We've got the air conditioner dedicated in mom and dad's room. Make it cold as an ice box. It's also pre-wired for solar. If you wanted to add a solar panel and a controller, we can do that real easy here at the store. So the bunk room, we've got their own table and chairs set up for an entertainment center, television over there. 1, 2, real easy. Lay down that top bunk, that single bunk. And we've got space for 4 or more here in the bunk room. They've got their own standard outlets, 12-volt USB plugs, some storage areas. Big pull-out drawers underneath. In fact, plenty of storage for the kids. Easily pop that back into place. It's all vinyl flooring on a Jayco. You've got plywood decking, plywood roof. It's all tongue and groove plywood. They don't use any air brads or air staples to put these together. It's all hardware screwed in. And also all the stiles are going to be pocket screwed in the back. Let you know what kind of RV you're dealing with as the cabinetry stapled together. This is a roaming earthquake going down the road. We don't want to have stapled together equipment. I think people really love these theater chairs. So we've got our TV trays. Reclining setup right across from where the TV would be. We can all sit here together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or more on a rainy day. Watch a movie. Coat closet. Lots of space. Triple slide rooms. Only 8,800 pounds for the size you're getting. Jayco has a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. That's 2 full camping seasons of warranty. You know, let's say you pick it up in early June, early July. You get through that first season, you put it into storage. It's winterized. Then maybe by the time you get back to it, the warranty has expired and you barely got to use it, if you got to use it at all. And that's generally the story for RVs. It's kind of the secret of the warranties, is that 1-year warranty just is not long enough to use. With 2 camping seasons, there's going to be something, whether it's a piece of trim or an actual air conditioner, refrigerator, water heater. Jayco's got you covered. We can fix you quick at Camperland. Give me a call anytime. Eric Deshane, 918-504-7727. Eric Deshane at Camperland. If the video's been helpful, give it a like, a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. Shoot me a comment down below. Thank you.